Hey, let's take a look at page 3 of your assignment. We have Alexis here, and she's selling t-shirts and sweatshirts to raise money for the Pep Squad. The first thing we're told is she has sold 12 t-shirts. So I think what I'll do on this problem is I'll define my variable. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let X stand for the t-shirts, and we'll let Y be the sweatshirts. So she has a total of 12 that she's sold. So I'll say X plus Y equals 12. Now it says the total number of t-shirts Alex sold was 2 more than 4 times the number of sweatshirts. So in other words, our t-shirts, which is X, let's go back to the pen. So X is 2 more, so I'll add 2 in to 4 times the number of sweatshirts, Y. Now I've got a system of equations. I can graph that and see where they intersect at. So we'll graph X plus Y equals 12. And let's go here, and so we'll say X plus Y, whoops, need my plus sign, plus Y equals 12. And then my second equation is X is going to equal to, what did we say, 4Y plus 2. And then I can zoom my graph in a little bit, and I can see where they cross at. They cross at 10 and 2. So we're going to have 10 t-shirts and 2 sweatshirts. So 10 t-shirts and 2 sweatshirts, which is choice A. We can do the same thing in number 7, except in number 7, we don't have any equations. We have a table. So what we're going to do here is, I think I've made this up already. So here are my 2 tables. And it kind of looks like they cross at 2 and 4, doesn't it? But looks to me kind of deceiving. So let's make sure. What you can do is if you hold down your mouse over the symbol for your line, instead of set of points, I'm going to change that to a line. I'll do that the same thing for my other line. Whoops. If you just click on it, it goes away. So I'll change that to a line. Oh, now we can definitely say they cross at 2 and 4. So on this question, we're going to say, oh, they're going to cross at 2 and 4. On question number 8, a little deceiving here. And what's deceiving is it says a quarter. It doesn't say n quarters or number of quarters. So we have a quarter. Some dimes and a nickel is going to be worth $1. The dimes are worth 5 cents more than a nickel. Well, duh. If there are 12 coins together. Well, there are 12 coins together, so in other words, a quarter, some nickels, and some dimes make 12 coins. But really, I only have 1 quarter, so I know that. So I've got 1 quarter. So in other words, the nickel plus the dimes are going to make 11 coins. And then I know a nickel's worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. Let's put the 0.10 in there. 0.10 times D. And then I know I got $1, but out of that dollar, 25 cents is a quarter. So in other words, it's worth 75 cents. Now, since we're going to graph this, maybe I'll rewrite this using X and Y. So I'll let X be my nickels and Y be my dimes. So I'll go X plus Y equals 11. And 0.05 X plus 0.10 Y is 0.75. So we can do that. So I'm going to think I'll do is I'll make a new graph here. And we know X plus Y is 11. And we'll say 0.05 X plus 0.10. You don't need to have the 1 when you graph it, but I'll put it in there. Oh, I forgot my plus sign. Equals 0.75. Oh, I forgot. There we go. Got to make sure you type it in correctly. And we can see where they cross. We're going to have 7 nickels and 4 dimes. And highlight that or put a box around it so we know we have. Okay, now, on the next one, I gave you a system, and I'm asking you to tell me which one of these is graphed. Well, if I take a look here, let's start with my line with a positive slope. My line with a positive slope, notice it crosses at 2. So I'll put my 2 in here. So I know I want to have one with a plus 2 in it. So I throw out B because that doesn't have a plus 2. I throw out C, that doesn't have a plus 2. So now it's either going to be A or D. Now if I look at my line, notice from where it intersects to 2, it looks like I'm going up 1, 2, 3. And over 1. In other words, my line has to be 3x plus 2. So that eliminates A. So without even having to look at my second line, I know my correct answer is D. Y equals 3x plus 2 and negative 3x minus 4. We can see my second line crosses at negative 4. And it goes down 3 and over 1, so that's where you get the negative 3 from.